Hi everyone. Today let's solve a previous year CAT question which is based on logarithm. The question what they have asked is we have to find the value of 1 divided by log 100 to the base 2 minus 1 divided by log 100 to the base 4 plus 1 divided by log 100 to the base 5 minus 1 divided by log 100 to the base 10 plus 1 divided by log 100 to the base 20 minus 1 divided by log 100 to the base 25 plus 1 divided by log 100 to the base 50, and the options which they have given was 1 by 2, 0, 10 and minus 4. Now let's see how to solve this. In this equation, the logs are not with a common base. Okay, it is having different bases. So first we should try to write all these logarithmic terms with a common base. Before solving this equation, let's see some of the properties of log. A log a to the base b can be written as 1 upon log b to the base a. So with this property, we can write 1 upon log 100 to the base 2 as log 2 to the base 100. Okay, similarly, all other terms can be written as well. So then you will get each logarithm with a common base, that is with a base 100. Okay, so let's see how we get it. So it will be like log 2 to the base 100 minus log 4 to the base 100 plus log 5 to the base 100 minus log 10 to the base 100 plus log 20 to the base 100 minus log 25 to the base 100 plus log 50 to the base 100. Now you know another property, that is log m multiplied by n to the base a can also be written as log m to the base a plus log n to the base a. Also, log m by n to the base a can be written as log m to the base a minus log n to the base a. Using these two properties, what we can write is log 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 20 multiplied by 50 divided by 4 multiplied by 10 multiplied by 25 with base 100. Okay, now you can simplify the term which is inside the bracket, and after simplifying you will get it as 10. This 100 can also be written as 10 square. So you can write like log 10 to the base 10 square. And using the fourth property, that is log b to the base a raised to n, which is equal to 1 by n log b to the base a. So this log 10 to the base 10 square can also be written as 1 by 2 log 10 to the base 10, which is nothing but 1 by 2, since log 10 to the base 10 will be equal to 1. So hope you all understood the calculation. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day.